I hope this tip helps you as much as it's helped me. I spend a lot of time driving, three boisterous, very loud boys in the back to their activities, to and from school. And if you're anything like me, when you are coming towards the end of the day, all you need is just a little bit of quiet and space. And oftentimes that's not happening with kids. So I like to imagine this. Imagine a jar full of glitter. And imagine that you've shaken up that jar, so the glitter is everywhere. Now, as you're driving, I want you to picture those flakes of glitter slowly finding their way to the bottom. If it helps, you can even imagine a snow globe. We're going to be coming to that in the next couple of months. So imagine a snow globe being shaken up, and imagine the snow slowly sinking to the bottom. That's what I want you to picture in your rides, in your drives. This idea that all those thoughts, all the chaoticness of what is going on in your mind, maybe it's to prep this, send this email, send that last text, pay that bill, make dinner, go grocery shopping, all the things. Let it all be there, but one by one, let them settle. You can't do anything when you're driving. So you perseverating on it, you ruminating about it, it's not going to help. So you imagine that little flake, that glitter, that snow, and you allow it to settle. You allow it to settle. And before you know it, at least for me, that visualization has become so incredibly important in allowing me just to gain a bit of equilibrium as I spend a lot of time back in the car.